Daytona rotor from the 90 16-inch wheel to the neon rotor, and it appears they're pretty close. The neon rotor is on the right, Daytona rotor is on the left, and as far as I can see, you're looking at a little over 1/10 of an inch difference, the neon rotor being a little wider, but the other dimensions seem to be the same. So I have the large brake set up, so I've got the caliper bracket that bolts onto the side instead of being cast into the steering knuckle. I don't think you're going to find these anymore, but well, you can find them off the shadows, the 92s and so forth. So what I'm going to try is to put the neon rotor on with my large caliper and see how it comes out. So as you can see, they fit nicely. Same height as the pads. They do weigh a little bit more than stock, but you're getting a lot more meat in the rotor. I just bought the economy set. I didn't buy anything expensive to try. So there you are. Neon brakes, big rotors with Daytona 16-inch calipers. Actually, these are the Caravan large brake calipers. The trick is you need this part of the hardware to mount up to the back of the hub, and you need the hub. So if you got the big brake hub, you can run neon rotors.